Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm Zero Tech. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to connect data to your PC. Alright, you want to connect internet connection to your PC from your phone. So I'll be showing you two methods. Alright, so the first method is using your chord. If your laptop is having hotspot issue, some laptops used to have issues of hotspots, like to connect hotspots, it might be having issues to connect from the Wi-Fi. So you might now need your chord to connect data for the meantime. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you this method right here. All you have to do is just to on your data. Alright, on data on your phone and plug in your chord. Alright, so just wait for some seconds, even without on hotspots here, but it automatically it will be on your iPhone because it's connected. Then you will now see this logo here, so this icon here, which is showing that it's connected to the internet. So now when you open up your Chrome browser, it will go to the internet without having any issues. Alright, so as you can see, it's working very fine. If I remove the code now, so that it will be disconnected, and when I refresh this page, it will ask me to connect to the internet. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to connect using hotspot. Already you know how easy that one is. So if you're having issues connecting data to your PC, I'm going to show you how to do that, but first let me show you how to connect it if your Wi-Fi and hotspot connection is working on your PC. So simply on your data here and on your hotspot, there go to available networks here and you see it here, right? So if you've added your password before, it will connect once and it will show connected here. So when we go back to our Chrome browser and refresh it, so that it's working perfectly. Alright, this is wireless without using wire. Alright, so let's say you're having issues to connect wirelessly like this. Like I've had that issue before where my laptop is having issues like showing available Wi-Fi networks. My laptop had that issues a few weeks back, so I was able to rectify it using a method. So if you're having such issues, all you have to do is go to your settings and search, or here we already have it, network and internet. This is for Windows 11. Alright, so if you're using lower Windows versions, you can just search network and internet, or if you see there, you can just tap on it, then go to advanced network settings right here, then scroll down to network reset. Alright, so when you select reset now, it will reset every single network setting on your PC that is making your Wi-Fi not to see hotspot connection that are on. I've had that issues before. So when you select reset now, it said are you sure you want to reset it, and if you select yes, your PC will restart in 5 minutes. Alright, it will reset everything and your PC will start again in 5 minutes. So when your PC is on again, it will be able to search network and see available networks and connect to. Alright, so if this video has been helpful to you, please leave a like, and you can comment if you're having any issues with and I will be willing to help you. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I will see you on the next one. Peace.